Hello, I'm Dr. Mohua Bhattacharjee. So as I was talking about game theory, now we will be talking about strategy. There are Nash equilibrium, Nash equilibrium and dominant strategy. These are the two broad categories of equilibrium or solutions which are taught in game theory. So the first of all which we want to talk about is game can be mainly studied in a cooperative game and non-cooperative game. Cooperative game is the one in which a person is deciding its strategy considering the opponent's decision. So that is called cooperative game. And the non-cooperative game is the one in which the one is independently deciding what is to be done. The strategy is not at all is game in which negotiation of binding contracts are not possible. But in cooperative game there are negotiations and contracts are there. So with this non-cooperative and cooperative game solutions, strategy goes on different way. So these are the two broad categories which you need to know. So suppose for example now what actually the game is in application. Suppose there is a company W and this company wants to take over the company T. Now if you want to take the company T, then you will have, first of all, you will have to have information which I was talking about in PAPI, P-A-P-I. So in the information you will have to know what is the share prices which is going on right now of the company T. Then you also have to know what is the expenditure this T company is giving on R&D, and also you have to know what is the repo of this company. You have to get informations of many things, and so on the basis of this the W company will be deciding that whether it will be taking over the company T or not. And then after deciding on the company T, suppose company T now then wants to spend on R&D. In some research and design it wants to spend a huge amount of money. So now in that case there is two options. If the R&D clicks very well and it comes out with a very good outcome, then it is expected that the share will go up to 100 per share, rupees, suppose $100 per share. Or if you find that it has spent in R&D but it did not come out with a very positive outcome or nothing new it has said, so you can expect to go your share prices to 0 per share. So now there is two extreme for the W company to think that if I take T, should I take T first of all? If I take company T, should I invest in R&D? So these kind of decisions after sub decisions are to be taken by the firms in an oligopoly market, and this is based on the payoff matrix. The matrix which I showed, it is a payoff matrix. Now how it is read, I am saying you. Suppose firm A and firm B both plans to go for advertisement. Then the expected payoff is 10 and 5. That A will be getting 10 and B will be getting 5, both being going for advertisement. Now if the next option is, the next strategy is A is going for advertisement, B is not going for advertisement. That is advertisement, no advertisement. Then with advertisement A will be getting 15, without advertisement 0. Then again in this second table you can see no advertisement and advertisement. Firm A is going with without advertisement, then it is getting 6 payoff, and with advertisement it is getting 8 payoff. And if both parties is going without advertisement, then it is 10 or 10 and 2. These are only the payoff. The payoff means the outcome. You can tell as a return, expected return. So the higher the expected return, it is positive for the firm. It is good for the firm. So that's why you can say that 10-5. Advertisement, 10-5. Advertisement, no advertisement, 15-0. No advertisement, 6-8. And no advertisement, both party, 10-2. So this way the matrix has been designed, and it is called the payoff matrix, through which a firm, every decisions firm takes up every decision on evaluating, on examining this matrix. So now the question is this, what will be the guideline? So now there are two most important ways by which in game theory solutions are made. The one is called dominant strategy and the another one is called Nash equilibrium strategy. In the dominant strategy, it is that outcome of a game in which firm is doing the best it can regardless of what its competitors are doing. That means dominant strategy means whatever my competitor is doing, I am in the best situation. Then it is called the dominant strategy. And in the Nash equilibrium, you are considering your opponent's situation and finding out the best situation of the of your competitors, and then you are deciding yours. Then it is called a Nash equilibrium solution. In this way, game theory, there are two most broad ways in which the solution can be made. One is called the dominant strategy equilibrium and another one is called the Nash equilibrium. So now in the dominant strategy equilibrium, the both of them are settling down with a common one solution. So suppose if it is that both the party is advertising or both the party is non-advertising and both is earning in the or both are getting the highest payoff, then it is called the dominant strategy. But in the Nash equilibrium, it is just the different other way. You will be, suppose firm A wants to find its Nash equilibrium, then it will check firm B's best solution. Out of the firm B's best solution, it will take the best of the firm A will be take the best out of the best of B. So that's why it is the two different way in which the same things are studied, because you know the point is this. This game theory actually tells you the complicacy of the oligopoly market, and it tells you that how complex the structure is and how dynamic the model is. You cannot significantly say that this is finally the solution and this one will be the final answer in all the case. It might not be. So that's why we have to take case to case basis and find the solution. Now we'll be going to the dominant strategy equilibrium in the next class. Thank you.